My 2019 Toyota Camry here. I'm going to check the cabin air filter. The car only has about 1,000 miles on it, so I'm not expecting it to be too dirty. The cabin filter is located in the glove box. Come over here in the glove box. There's this compartment here that you can just take the door off of. Okay, and there's another door here. So you can just unclip it. Okay, and the cabin filter's in there. Let's slide this guy out. A little bit of leaf. Look at it. It's not too dirty. Again, the car only has about 1,000 miles. So if you need one of these filters, I'll leave a link down in the description box for you. Where you can get the part number and the prices and stuff like that. Check them out. You get your new one. You just take the element out of this case, stick it back in there. You're going to reuse this casing. So when you go to put this back in, you need to make sure this thing is pushed all the way in there. You're going to be able to get the door back on. Make sure it's flat right here. Okay, and flat right there. Or this guy. And we'll go back on. I'm going to clip in the sides right there like that. And push the right side on. And that's it. That's how you replace the cabin filter in a 2019 Toyota Camry.